Hello and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you quickly how to change your display name on Roblox. So there are two different types of names on Roblox. The easiest way to navigate to change your display name is go to roblox.com. It doesn't matter if you're on mobile or desktop, it'll work the same way. So just type in the URL box here, roblox.com, and log into your account. Once we are here, we want to go over to the gear icon, should be somewhere in the upper right side of the screen here, and then you should see your username. This is not a display name, this is a username here. Click on the gear icon and then go to settings. Now, under settings here, under the first option, or maybe second for you, you need to go to account info if you're not already there. You will see a couple of things. This right here is your display name. Your display name will be at the top and your username will be below that. Now, your display name is what you are going to see in a lot of the different games that you play or dive into Roblox, and your username is what's associated with your account, and this one shows up in certain areas as well. In order to change your display name, it's as easy as going right here to the little pencil icon right next to your display name and just click on that icon there, and then you'll see here that you can just select the name that you have there and you can change it to whatever you want it to be. Make sure it doesn't go over 20 characters and understand that you can only change your display name every 7 days. So you can only change this once every 7 days. So once you hit save, change that over to your new display name. This cannot be removed or changed until 7 days from when you changed it now. If you want to change your username, it's a little more difficult in that they put it behind a paywall. You can hit the same pencil icon here right next to username, but you need to have 1,000 Robux. So as you can see, I think I have like 8 Robux in this account. If I go to buy here, it'll take me to where I can buy more Robux, and it's normally around $10 to $15 to get the amount you'll need depending on the different sales that they have going on. So you will need to pay 1,000 Robux in order to change your username. But your display name, that's easily changed for free once every 7 days. And another tip, you have to have an email address on the account in order to change the username. So again, a username and a display name are two different things, and that's how you change both of them here within the Roblox settings. If you have any further questions on how to do this, please put those in the comment section below. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next tutorial.